Hey, I'm Justin from Hometown Heroes Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. This is Andrew. Well, Andrew, do we have anything going on right now for January?
We do. We've got a $69 furnace tune-up special through February 1st. So if you haven't had your furnace tuned up, you're good through the end of this month to get a deal. We also have free second opinions every single day. So if somebody comes out to your home and diagnoses something and you just want a free second opinion to feel a little bit better, we'll do it for free. Also, if you're a first-time customer or an existing customer and you have us out for a service call, it's $89. But if you do the repair, we go ahead and waive the $89.
Sounds like a good deal.
It's pretty
Thanks,
good.
man.
Thanks. Bye.